In the late 1970s, a significant yet less than ideal shift took place, as villagers migrated to cities, and urban residents moved to larger metropolitan areas. Now, in the 21st century, with inflation and skyrocketing costs seemingly out of control, will this trend reverse, leading to a wave of reverse migration? We'll have to wait and see what unfolds. Bagh-Misheh, locally pronounced as Bagh-Misheh, is a historic neighbourhood of Tabriz, situated in the northeastern part of the city. To the north, it borders the slopes of Mount Aoun Ben Oli, and to the south, it reaches the banks of the Tabriz River. Formerly known as Farah Street, a bossy street now passes through this area, connecting to the Bagh-Misheh district in the east and leading to Kari Bridge and the Bagh-Misheh Gate in the west. The word Imarzher is derived from Abisheh, meaning a foresty in Persian, in the Azerbaijani Turkish language. Due to its abundant gardens and forest-like landscape, the area is famously known as Bagh-Misheh. In the past, Bagh-Misheh was home to numerous gardens, and most residents were involved in gardening and agriculture. Major crops included apricots, cherries, plums, grapes, apples, peaches, and pears, which not only met local demand but were also exported to other regions. Water for Bagh-Misheh's gardens came from springs, rivers, and qanats, underground channels. Several mills were built on the Tabriz River to grind flour. Later, with the migration of villagers to the city and the destruction of gardens for residential development, most of Bagh-Misheh's gardens were lost. Today, only a few small gardens remain by the Tabriz River, and even those are under threat of destruction. In the mid-2000s, a large part of Bagh-Misheh's fertile lands was rezoned by the municipality and offered to foreign investors. After a significant clearing of trees in the southern part of Bagh-Misheh, two large buildings were constructed, now transformed into the Lala Park Hotel and Commercial Complex. Other areas once filled with gardens are now occupied by numerous apartment buildings, with extensive construction continuing along the river. Due to the overdevelopment in northeastern Tabriz, no gardens or farmland remain in this once green area. Bagh-Misheh sits on a major earthquake fault line in northwest Iran, with geologists warning of severe risks if construction continues. In the northern part of Bagh-Misheh, Rosh-Dyer, high-rise residential towers are being built on the slopes of Mount Aoun Ben Oli, despite repeated warnings from experts about potential landslides during an earthquake. Nevertheless, the rapid pace of high-rise construction in the Bagh-Misheh area continues. As you can see in the video, although the Bagh-Misheh neighborhood isn't overly crowded, there's still a lively atmosphere with people moving around. In the video, we also see students, as the school year in Iran started over 2 months ago and will continue until spring and the Nowruz holidays. In Iran, schools are only closed during Nowruz in March for 2 weeks, and during the summer from early July to the end of September. The street vendors set up on the sidewalks give the area a unique vibe, creating a form of self-employment and income for many here in Iran, a country facing high inflation. The pleasant autumn weather in Tabriz brings fluctuating temperatures, and in some northern areas of Iran, there have even been reports of snowfall. The wide sidewalks here provide an inviting space for walking and enjoying the urban outdoors. The small trees lining the sidewalks are a testament to recent transformations in the neighborhood, which has developed into a residential area. Another video of this neighborhood, without narration, was previously posted on this channel, capturing the vibrant summer evening crowds. You can also see that some stores are open while others are closed, indicating that the neighborhood and market area come to life mostly in the evenings when business picks up with the crowd. As you'll notice, many drivers don't prioritize pedestrians and rarely stop for them, which is unfortunate. It seems cultural awareness around this hasn't developed yet, but hopefully, it will in the future. The women's clothing styles in this area showcase a mix of traditional, conservative, and modern influences, reflecting the blend of different cultural elements here. One of the advantages of modern residential neighborhoods is the wide sidewalks, which I can't emphasize enough. They are especially beneficial for elderly individuals, as they can help facilitate movement for those who may rely on walkers or wheelchairs.
Onda səhv edər.
Mesela dolandırdım caddələrə tıxal elərdim.
Mesela sabitlikten geldi. Bir gol da günler daha.
O dəfə deyildi. O dəfə qaldı.
Allah bereket.